Okay, here's the floor plan. See that everything, there's numbers everywhere. These are ideas. This kind of gets your base foundational load first. So as you look here, you have, this is the frame. All right, so the headboard would go here. And the only reason why the headboard's here is because you got the height that you need. Some beds have different heights. Notice here, you got the footboard. The footboard's alongside of the wall. Okay, let's go back at this number system. So number one, you got king, bed, dresser, washer, dryer, or refrigerator, dryer, dining room table, china cabinet, number 6, I'm sorry. China cabinet, a table, couch, love, chair.